Hey there, welcome to YouTube channel. I'll be your host Ruben Kanyoko. Today we are going to be covering a lab where we'll be accessing a Windows machine, getting or bypassing the login screen in a normal Windows machine. The exact machine we're going to be handling today will be a Windows Server 2022, but remember this just happens to all Windows machines. Even if you have a Windows 11, Windows 10, this can still happen. We are going to be handling it in a VirtualBox machine, so that to remain in an ethical way. Make sure we do it ethically. So first of all, I'm going to introduce to you the exact Windows server I'm dealing with. This is a normal Windows server. You can just see from the screen, it's a normal login screen. I'm running this Windows in VirtualBox, the normal Oracle VirtualBox. So we'll get started. First of all, I need you to notice some few things. Getting past this, we have the login screen. We have our administrator user. Notice something. We have the ease of access. This is one major thing you should learn, what we are going to be handling today. The program handling this on the back end is called utilman. This is what we're going to be manipulating today. You can notice what ease of access is handling us. You can start up the narrator, the high contrast and all those kind of things. We are going to be dealing with this. So how do we handle this bypassing the login screen on a normal Windows? Remember, you can still do this on the normal Windows machine you're using. So we'll start off. I'll start by restarting this virtual machine, but one thing you should notice, when I'm restarting it, I will disrupt the boot order. So immediately I do this. As of now, I am pressing F12 to select boot order. It won't boot normally, the same way we boot the Windows. It won't boot normal. Notice how it comes. The blue screen. It's like you're installing Windows for the first time. Notice all I'll do. I'll click next, but instead of installing now, I'll click repair your computer. Notice that once you click repair your computer, you have this option of troubleshooting. In the troubleshoot is where you get the command prompt. You click that. Till there you have made some good progress. Notice something we are in right now. X sources. What I need you to do, I need you to type dispatch. Wait for it to load up, then it gets us to the disrupt part. Just wait a minute. It gets us the prompt for this part. There we go. List volume. The main reason we are doing this is to identify the drive that holds our main drive. You see, in the normal ways where you just open your Windows machine, normally Windows will be in the local disk C, but right now you have to identify the exact. So for now, we are going to be dealing with disk D, the volume 2, since it holds the 19 GB of disk space. Notice the others are just MBs. So I'm going to exit the disk part. Once I exit the disk part, then I'm going to change my directory to the disk D. So I'm going to type D. Then I'm going to enter the Windows then system.2. Once you're there, there's that important program file we need to handle, the utilman. So before you handle everything, it's always important you create a backup file. So what we're going to do, I'm going to create a backup file for the utilman. So I'm going to use the copy command, utilman.exe, then copy it to utilman.back. A file is already copied. So now if you check your directories, you'll be having utilman.exe and still utilman.back. So what I'm aiming for today, you're going to make sure instead of accessing the utilman, we are going to be accessing the real command prompt from the normal login screen. So what you do, you'll copy the cmd.exe and copy it to utilman.exe. You're going to be asked if you want to overwrite this, so yes, we are going to overwrite it. Once that is copied, then we can now exit this command prompt, then continue. Now we leave our machine to boot as normal, the normal way. Just give it a minute, it boots up. I'm not going to disrupt the bootload at the moment, so just boots from the normal ISO image it has, the hard drive. It got already partitioned when I was installing the Windows. Notice right now I just have to access the login screen. Notice what happens now. I'll click this, and instead of opening up that narrator thing, yeah, it finally opens up the command prompt. This is exactly what you needed. So now instead of opening that that ease of access, that small window of ease of access, it opens up our command prompt. In this command prompt, right now we are in the highest level of administrator level. We don't have restrictions on the user accounts and such kind of things. So what we're going to be doing here, we are now going to change the password. It's either we change the password for the administrator account, or we are going to remove that password. So what do you do here? So the main command you're going to run is net user. Sorry for that. The command prompt just vanishes. Yeah, nice. The script to that was double clicking. So net user, then you have to type in the exact administrator. So I wrote administrator, I typed administrator here. So if you have a specific user like John, maybe Paul, you have to type that there. Then I'm going to use that asterisk. So we are going to be asked to type the password for the user. I may opt to just hit enter so that we don't need a password, but I'm going to enter a password. So I'm going to enter the password. We are Cybersensei at full stop, sorry, 1 2 3. The command completed successfully. So once you have done that, we have overwritten that administrator password to what I've just entered here. So I'm going to close this up, then enter what I've typed. And we are in. Just like that, even if you don't know the password of that Windows user account you have, you can actually gain access to that account. And just like that, we are in. Main problem to this, one thing you'll notice whenever you're dealing with operating systems, I really think the best way to just avoid people are gaining unauthorized access, just keep the physical device away from them. Because once you can just see, once I have your machine, once I have your computer, even though I don't have the password, I can gain access to it just like that. So physical isolation is very, very important. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching this. See you on the next one.